Hey guys, how's it going? So, I thought I would show you guys my TradingView setup and how I utilize the 1348 EMA Crossover made famous by the review dork. So this is a popular crossover strategy or trading strategy for entering trades and for also knowing when to exit them. So on TradingView, I have the 5-minute chart up for AMC. Obviously, you don't want to day trade AMC. You want to buy and hold forever, well, until it squeezes. I like to utilize the Haiken Ashi candlesticks. It just makes things look a lot smoother on the chart than if you're using your traditional candlestick chart, which looks a bit like that. So yeah, Haiken Ashi. There's a script which this kind gentleman, Sir Reptar69, has created, which allows you to enable this 1348 EMA crossover. So I'll click on that, and that will put it on the screen. And as you can see, lots of wavy lines. What it does too is it also adds the 30 and the 200 EMA, which I am going to click on settings and just remove. It could be useful having the 200 EMA in there, but just for simplicity, I will keep it simple and just have the 13, which is this green line, which you can see on the chart, and the 48, which is the red line. Right. Now, the strategy of the 1348 is as follows. When the 13 EMA crosses the 48 EMA, so when this green line crosses the red line, that's a good opportunity to enter this trade or to enter a trade. It'll put a little cross there. The script will do that for you, and it'll also say cross here in green. So this is crossing to the upside, of course. You can use the same strategy for a crossover for a bearish pattern. So this is when the green is crossing the red to the downside, and this could be an opportunity to enter if you were shorting the stock. So as you can see, if we did enter here 1795, it would have run up 1845. You could see here it started coming down. Maybe you got scared and you would exit at this first red candle. But if you had held all the way up, it would have gone all the way up to 1869, which is a good, yeah, it's almost $1. Sorry, less than $1, 80 cents. But obviously you don't really want to rely just on the crossover strategy. So obviously there's the well-known MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. And if we add this to the chart, this will give us extra confirmation. So when the blue line here crosses above the orange line, that means that it's a bullish sign to enter the trade. So you can see here, as it was crossing over the MACD, the two lines. There's a big gap between them, and then as you can see, as the stock started going down, the MACD started closing, and then finally crossed over. Okay, another indicator I like to use is the RSI. These are all well-known indicators, nothing fancy here, but it just gives you extra confirmation. So as you can see here, with the RSI, anything under 30 is oversold. Anything above 70 is overbought. But you can see here at this point, the RSI started climbing. It crossed over this line, and at the point that you entered, the RSI would have been quite high, around 60, yeah, even going up to 70. So yeah, all very bullish. And yeah, so these are the three confirmations really I would look for. There's a crossover here. The MACD is open and the RSI is above 50. Yeah, so you might not want to watch your charts all day, so you can set up alerts. So I've got a bunch here ready for other stocks, but I'll just show you the process. So you click on the alerts. You click on the EMA cross. The EMA one is the 13, and you want for me, I can only buy long. I can't buy short. So I want to know when the 13 is crossing up and is crossing over the 48 EMA. I would set the expiration date in the future, and then as soon as this crossover happens, I'll get notified on the app. There will be a pop-up and it will send me an email. So if trading is not your full-time job and you've got another job, you can kind of rely on these alerts. As soon as the alert pops up, you can click on the link in the email. It will take you to your chart, and you can then have a look at all these factors. Obviously, as I said, the crossover, the MACD, the RSI, and also obviously the volume here. You can see if there's volume coming into the trade. So yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any feedback, and if not, I will speak to you guys soon. Catch you later. Cheers. Bye.